Today, we're diving into the world of exhibitor management with Cadmium's Exhibitor and Sponsorship Sales and Management module. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll explore how this powerful tool streamlines key aspects of exhibitor management. Let's start by understanding how Cadmium's platform streamlines event management. It streamlines booth and sponsorship selection, facilitates seamless payments, simplifies content collection, enables floor plan adjustments, streamlines company management, enhances email communications, and provides comprehensive reporting capabilities. Securing the ideal booth space is crucial for event participation. With Cadmium's Expo Management product, we streamline this process with a user-friendly self-service interface. This empowers companies to provide essential details for booth and sponsorship selection. Our sales floor plan feature offers real-time updates on booth availability, all displayed on a digital floor plan. The legend helps prospects easily identify available booths, while the directory allows searching for partners and competitors who have already booked booth space. Clickable empty booths provide detailed info like size, pricing, and contact details, streamlining the booking process. In our self-service interface, prospective exhibitors can easily select booths by clicking on the map. They also have the option to choose multiple booths and include location preference notes, making booth selection effortless. Our sponsorship selection feature makes choosing sponsorship items straightforward. Each item is clearly labeled if it's new, and prospects can see how many are available per company. Including images and descriptions ensures clarity in investment decisions. Let's discuss payment options. Our platform supports various methods, including credit card, cash, purchase order, and wire transfer. We enable the collection of partial payments and offer an invoice later option, ensuring flexibility in financial transactions. After booking a booth or sponsorship, exhibitors access the Expo portal for task-oriented management. They can submit deliverables, settle balances, and access event information, enhancing their event participation experience. For exhibit managers, managing floor plans is simplified with the Floor Plan Builder. Adjustments to booth layouts can be made effortlessly, ensuring optimal utilization of space. Exhibit managers efficiently manage payment through the sales section. This includes monitoring all transactions, accessing history reports, marking manual transactions, and customizing pricing strategies. The exhibitor management tool allows real-time tracking of all transactions and provides detailed reports on transaction history for each company. Effective company management is facilitated with comprehensive tools, including maintaining profiles, managing booth assignments, and overseeing company contacts. Communication is vital, and our email tool empowers exhibit managers to send targeted and timely communication to exhibitors and sponsors. Our email tool allows customization based on specific criteria, enabling targeted communication and pre-scheduled emails for efficient planning. Additionally, merge fields personalize emails with unique company information, including dynamic links to each company's invoice or receipt, ensuring a streamlined experience. Interactive worksheets enable efficient data organization and customization, with flexible sorting, direct edits, export functionality, and customization options. Comprehensive reporting supports event evaluation and decision-making with customizable reports, dynamic share links, and export to Excel functionality. In summary, Cadmium's exhibitor management product offers a comprehensive event management solution, streamlining every aspect from booth selection to reporting.